Hello, on this video I'll be showing you Theorem 3. Theorem 3. Now, if you haven't watched Theorem 1 and 2, go to our previous video on the channel. Make sure that you subscribe and also you like the video. Now, on this theorem, you should note that you'll have three types of lines. If you do not know a little bit more about lines, make sure that you go back to the video whereby I was talking about all the lines found in the circle. So on this video, there is a diameter on the circle. There is a diameter, which is this one, and also the chord, and also the chord. So now once you know what is the diameter and the chord, now we'll simply know this theorem. Now this theorem simply states that if we have a diameter, the diameter should subtend 90 degrees. So now what do we mean about that? We are simply saying that the angle subtended at a circle by diameter is a right angle. Now we are simply stating that if there is a diameter and also it subtends an angle, probably you should know that that angle over there is 90 degrees. Now when we are talking about the right angle, we are simply talking about a 90 degrees. Now whenever you see this name of right angle triangle or right angle, you should think of 90 degrees. Okay, so now why is it important for you to know this theorem? Sometimes they might give you a diameter, then give you an angle over there. Let's say maybe it's 45 degrees. Now once they said that it's 45 degrees, now you have this angle, but they say then calculate this angle. Maybe you are given A, O, B, C. Now for you to calculate that angle, now you know the sum of angles add up to 180, right? Which means you're gonna say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Then the reason for that, it will be sum of angles in a triangle, right? Don't mind that, you know what we mean. Okay, now A plus B plus C equal to 180, right? Okay, then now you can then simply calculate that A, you do not have A. Do we have B? Yes, we have B as our 45 degrees. Then plus our C is 90 degrees equal to 180. Somehow you can show that C is equal to 90 degrees. Then the reason for that, it will be this reason. The angle subtended at a circle by diameter is a right angle. Then after that, you will simply solve that, and then you'll have your A as 45, because now you will just substitute, you'll just add this and then transpose to the other side, then subtract, then you'll have your AS and the AS 45, which means this side is 45. Thank you. To watch the next theorem, look at on our next video.